Hello guys, welcome back to Dope Chinese. Today I'm going to teach you a Cantonese slang. 摸門釘, 摸門釘. 摸 literally means like touch. 門 door. 釘 nail. So that is how our door looks like in the past. 摸門釘 means when you visit some place and then they close. For example, today I was planning to go to Wing Chun martial arts club to ask for some information, but I don't know that they take off on Monday, so I was kind of 摸門釘. Then I would like to give you some suggestion if you are interested in Chinese martial art as well. 去武館之前，你一定要問清楚。唔係嘅話，你好易摸門釘。去武館之前，你一定要問清楚。唔係嘅話，你好易摸門釘。Before you go to the martial art club, please remember to ask first. Otherwise, it's easier for you to fail to visit it. This is what we learned today. If you like today's video, please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe me and follow my IG. See you soon. Bye bye.